Hello, hi, welcome back. Hello, folks, students, and professionals. Welcome to the SD world. So, great thanks to all of you. First of all, I would like to tell this one because 1,000+ students already crossed for my SDECC course. So I have done a lot of hard work last 4 years to update as much as possible with 438 lectures and 115 literally hardworking hours to update this course. So I would like to tell you, if someone get the job, you can comment in Udemy after watching my course. And few students already contacted a couple of years back only. They are keep in touch with me. Uh, so they have shown their gratitude towards this course actually. So I would like to help you further. So with that motivation, I have done one more course on actually S4 HANA. So if you really want, you can able to try that one. So this is the course is all about the prices varies between 400 400 to 600. It's nothing actually. It's a cost of a single biryani for you. So lifetime learning you are getting here in Udemy. So why I'm doing, what is the motivation for me if I start up an institution, students will be flood, I know very well. But the thing is that I'm quite busy with my project schedules and other life. Life is so important. I'm spending my time with my kids and family. So probably let's see. Currently, I don't have that passion. What I wanted to do is I would like to get good professionals, good ST professionals to the industry to serve the clients on instead guys who is throwing money on a wrong way to get into the industry and bribes. I don't like all those things. So I feel that this is one of the cheapest forum so that I can able to transfer my knowledge. So that's the biggest motivation for me. So if you look at this, all these are the courses. Actually, if you look at this currently 438 lectures, if you look at this, it's huge, huge, huge. So a lot of videos also available in YouTube also. If you really wanted to learn the real course, this is the place for SD. And don't miss this course. Okay, so see, 41 more sections still available here. Okay, so I never counted this. I started keep on I was trying to keep on updating all these courses with a lot of motivation. So to bring you back, whatever I have learned actually, it's not all about money every time. So of course, money is important, but it is required to have that passion. So to get onto the toes. Okay, so whenever you want it, so good things to get happen for others actually. So what else I can say? Okay, here. So, if you come back to currently holding 7,000+ students, don't miss my S4 HANA course also. It will give you literally goosebumps. So, with a lot of passion, I have motivated. It will be continuously get updated. This is the course. Recently, I have launched, just yesterday, I have launched this course. This is interview questions for SD and ECC. It is don't expect that you wanted to get some exits and all those things, standard and standard deviation. Sure, I have recorded see, it's always, I'm also in the interview board, so I would like to check the candidature in such a way that it's in the ratio of 7:3, three real-time questions, at least seven standard questions I will ask. So if you properly prepare the standard, you are in the job. That's it. There is nothing else actually. So there is nothing to fake. There is nothing to bluff. Actually, they can easily mm, get you through what you are trying to explain. But that's okay. You prepare other three questions also, but seven questions is my responsibility. That's why I have done this as for HANA sales preparation sets in this standard direct questions and scenario based question. 10 questions will be there each set. Currently, it is launched with 10 sets. Probably it might be my target is to at least I would like to do 200+ questions. So that means 20 sets. And apart from that, I would like to add mock interviews in this from real-time professionals. Let's wait for the game actually. Okay, so I'm just providing all these links. If you really want, you can give it a try, but it's not a commercial video. I would like to show my gratitude towards the students who actually recognize. On 1,000+ students, my rating still out of 5, 4.43. Sometimes it varies, even 4.5 also. If you look at this, the ratings, see 181 ratings, 4.3. I got ratings. So this is the biggest recognition for me. It's not question of the money always. So if someone get the job, you are trying to bring someone lives into the light. That is more important. Okay. Anyhow, wishing all the best and have a great day. If you really want other courses, I'm just providing these links below of this video. Have a great day.